Okay, let's have the part 3 of lesson number 54. Number 11. What is the term for energy consumed by electronics even when turned off? Letter A, phantom load. Letter B, active energy. C, standby heating. D, continuous wattage. Number 13. Using old, inefficient appliances can result in A, less heat generation, B, increased energy bills, C, reduced power factor, letter D, faster cooling. Number 13, using, um, we have number 13 already. Let's have number 14 now. Which of the following would most effectively reduce energy loss in schools? Letter A, installing double glazed windows. Letter B, increasing class hours. Letter C, removing window blinds. Letter D, painting walls white. Number 15, in industrial areas, energy is lost. Energy loss is often caused by letter A, regular equipment maintenance, letter B, excessive idling of machinery, letter C, using renewable energy sources, letter D, employee energy awareness program. The answer key for lesson number 54, please proceed to lesson 55. So the answer key for lesson 53, understanding electrical hazards and basic safety practices, is as follows. Number 1, C, cardiac arrest. Number 2, B, overloaded circuits. Number 3, C, ampere. Number 4, B, to break the circuit when current exceeds safe levels. Number 5, C, copper. Number 6, B, turn off the power source. Number 7, D, water is a good conductor when impure. Number 8, C, ground faults circuit interrupter. GFCI. Number 10, B, pull the plug firmly. Number 10, C, hard. Number 11, B, short circuit. Number 12, standing on a wet floor when operating electrical equipment. Number 13, B, provide a safe path for path current. Number 14, letter B, electric iron. Number 15, A, duration of contact. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. Bye-bye. See you in our next lesson. Thank you, everyone.